Hello, hello. Welcome back, dear listener. I am Lily, your English teacher.
And I'm Mateo, your English friend.
Today, we will talk about hobbies, things you like to do.
Yes, fun things, happy things, simple English.
Very simple, very slow. Are you ready?
I think so.
Let's start with greetings. Listener, repeat with me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Hello, Lily. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good too.
Great job, listener. Repeat, how are you? Very good. Let's review numbers. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I have 2 hobbies.
I have 3 hobbies.
Wow!
Listener, repeat. I have 2 hobbies. Good. Now the days of the week. Slowly. Repeat with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
On Saturday, I play video games.
On Sunday, I read books.
Listener, repeat. On Saturday, I play. Good job.
Today's objects are about hobbies. Repeat. A book. A ball. A guitar. A camera. A pencil. A phone.
I have a book.
I have a guitar. Listener, repeat. I have a book. Excellent. Some people like food as a hobby too. Repeat simple words. Water. Juice. Tea. Coffee. Pizza. Cake.
I drink tea when I draw.
I drink coffee when I write.
Listener, repeat. I drink water.
Now let's practice daily activities related to hobbies. Repeat. I read. I draw. I play. I watch TV. I listen to music. I cook. I listen to music every day.
I read every night.
Listener, repeat. I listen to music. Today we talk about hobbies. Hobbies are fun things you like to do.
Yes, when you have free time.
Free time means time to relax.
Time to do something fun.
Listener, repeat. Hobby. Mateo, what is your hobby?
I like music. My hobby is playing guitar.
Oh, very good. Playing guitar. Listener, repeat. I like music. My hobby is playing guitar. Listener, here are some hobbies. Repeat with me. Reading, drawing, painting, cooking, dancing, singing, swimming, running, playing games, watching movies.
I like watching movies.
Me too. Listener, repeat. I like watching movies. Mateo, what do you like more? Books or movies?
I like movies more.
I like books more.
That's okay. Different hobbies.
Listener, repeat. I like blank more. When do you do your hobby, Mateo?
I play guitar at night.
I read in the morning. Listener, repeat. I play at night. I read in the morning. Let's talk about how often you do a hobby. Repeat. Every day. Sometimes. On weekends. Once a week. Twice a week.
I play guitar every day.
I read once a week. Listener, repeat. Every day. Let's practice questions. Repeat after me. What is your hobby? What do you like to do? Do you like music? Do you like sports? Do you like cooking?
Lily, what do you like to do?
I like to draw.
Nice!
Listener, repeat. I like to draw. Now, a small conversation. Listen first. Hello, what is your hobby?
My hobby is swimming.
Nice. When do you swim?
I swim on weekends.
Now you repeat with me. Hello, what is your hobby?
My hobby is swimming.
When do you swim?
I swim on weekends.
More hobbies to learn. Repeat. I like drawing. I like singing. I like dancing. I like running. I like taking photos. I like writing.
I like taking photos.
Yes, you take great photos. Listener, repeat. I like taking photos. Great job today. Let's review. Repeat after me. Greetings. Hello. Good morning. Numbers. 1, 2, 3. Days. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Objects. A book. A ball. A guitar. Food and drinks. Water. Juice. Tea. Daily activities. I read. I listen to music.
Hobbies. Reading. Drawing. Cooking. Playing games. Watching movies.
And now, I like. My hobby is. Listener, you did amazing today.
Yes, very, very good.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.